Visual communication in the media, attracting the eyes of viewers. The intent of the development of this flyer is to promote attendance at Yankeetown School's Field Day event. People process and digest information differently, and the use of this flyer will present faculty, students, and parents with a visual way to receive the information. My flyer will be used to significantly develop the message of the annual Field Day event and will be used for the specific purpose of easy recognition of this event. This use of this flyer will provide emphasis on effectively highlighting keywords, ideas, or relationships for the audience. Clarity is the key of the use of visual aids. One way to improve clarity is to limit the number of words on a flyer and to use font large enough to be read from a distance. The key images I chose for this flyer demonstrate a clear relationship to the verbal message while also fostering improved clarity of the event. Visual aids in general should meet the following criteria. They should be legible for everyone to see. They should be clear. The audience should get it the first time they see it. They should serve to simplify the concept they illustrate. And they should be consistent. They should reinforce continuity by using the same visual style. There are many different rules for designing flyers and other visual aids. Adhering to the following guidelines has produced a high-quality visual image. The use of one simple idea for my flyer, making sure that the text and diagrams are clear and readable. I avoided clutter. I kept the images consistent. For example, I used complementary font, titles, and layout for the images. I also made sure my images were high quality and checked carefully for spelling and other errors. It is important to remember that an audience should be able to understand a visual image in a matter of seconds. When it comes to selecting color for visual aids, understanding that colors affect how people feel and react has a dramatic implication for visual communication. With this in mind, the color I chose for my flyer was selected intentionally. Blue encourages creativity because it is associated with a peaceful environment in which it's safe to explore. This color is also associated with conservationism and tranquility. Green is perceived as warm and emotive and encourages discussion and interaction. Yellow is an attention-grabbing color, great for highlighting key points. It has been also found to stimulate mental activity and enhance memory. The use of lines in this flyer create a pattern. They set a mood, provide visual texture, creates movement, and defines shapes. Achieving a balance of text to graphics is an important part of creating any visual aid. My use of text and images, paired with the visual strength of my design, will have a big effect on its overall impact with my audience. One of the main reasons to use contrast in design is to grab attention and make an impact. Contrast occurs when two elements on a page are different. In this case, the different colors between the text and the background color was carefully selected. Our eyes like contrast. Contrast is attractive to the eye. Thank you for considering my entry in this contest. I look forward to hearing from you soon.